C and C++ compiler MinGW w64 setup in VS Code. Installation on Windows 11 and Windows 10. Google search box lo enter msys2 download. Enter key press. msys2.org. First link click. msys2 official web page complete display. Scroll down. Installation section lo download the installer. Two options display. First one msys2 x86_64 2025 1213.exe. First button click. Download section lo msys2 exe file downloading process start. File size 89.3 MB. Wait and here until downloading process completing. Browser minimize. Desktop file explorer document open. Left side downloads folder lo msys2 exe executable file display. Select mouse double click. Download folder minimize. Welcome to the msys2 setup window lo first button. Next click. Installation folder. Please specify the directory where msys2 will be installed. Default installation path display. Local disk C. Newly created folder msys64. In case change the another OneDrive or folder, browse button click. Present unnecessary default set. Second button next click. Choose a start menu folder. Newly created start menu folder name msys2 default set. Second button next click. Installing msys2. Unpacking components. Installing process start 0 to 100%. Process completing until wait and here few minutes. Installing components msys2. msys2 has now been installed on your computer. Finish button click. ms shell close. Desktop Windows search box lo enter msys2. First option msys2 option select. Browser reopen. Mouse scroll down. Copy this path. Copy icon click. Browser minimize. In this video description section lo pasted command as it same command copy paste in shell window. Select mouse right click. Paste option select. Enter key press. Enter key press. Window maximize. Total download file size 133.45 MB. Keyboard Y key press. Enter key press. C and C++ compiler MinGW installing packages. Total packages 52. MinGW -x64 UCRTs. After installation process completed, command display. Shell window close. Download folder reopen. Left side this PC select. First one new volume C select open. Second folder msys64 folder select open. UCRT64 folder select open. First one bin folder select open. Top section lo address bar mouse left click. Copy this path mouse right click. Second option copy click. Folder minimize. Desktop Windows search box lo enter env. Second option edit the system environment variables. Select system properties window lo last button environment variables click. Second option system variables related path option select. Second button edit click. Right side first button new click. Mouse right click. Paste option click. OK click. OK click and OK click. Desktop Windows search box lo enter VS Code. First option Visual Studio Code select. Window maximize. Left side extensions icon click. Search box enter C/C++. First one extensions C/C++ select. blue color button, install, click. Installation completed. Second extension, search box, mouse left click, delete key press, code runner. First one extension, code runner, select right side code runner extension, related blue color button, install, click. Completed. Page close. Left side first icon, explore, click. File menu, click. Open folder option, select. Left side desktop option, select. Top section second button, new folder, click. Delete key press. Enter the folder name, C++, files. Enter key press. Bottom side first button, select folder, click. Top section terminal menu, click. First option, new terminal, select. Newly created folder, explore window, display. Created folder, default path display in terminal window. Folder, right side first icon, new file, click. Enter the file name, charitech dot extension cpp. Enter key press. File display. Enter the C++ simple script. File menu, click. Save option, select. Mouse right click. First option, run code, click.